Hello everyone, this is Lorenzo. Today we're going to talk about a new tip that's going to help you never lose things again. We're going to use two simple rules to make sure that never happens again. Number one, every object has its home in your home. This is what I called the home of my keys, where my keys should be when I'm not using them. I've scattered objects around my home that aren't in their proper place. We'll start with three simple objects: my keys, a box opener, and this portable battery for my phone. I just got back home, I was tired, and I just put down my keys on the coffee table. It was easy. I also recently received an Amazon package, and well, the best way to open it was to use the box cutter. Now, what's the issue with that? You're going to jump to another task right after you get home or right after you've opened your Amazon package. You're going to slowly forget that you've put them there. My coffee table. The next time you need them, you won't remember. Let's take a very quick tour of my home and identify other misplaced objects. First, please let me introduce you to Loki, my pet chinchilla. Let's see if he's in the mood to be cute. Hey Loki! He wasn't. He left. Usually when I play with Loki, I use these two tools. These are treats, and that's a training stick that I use to lure him. The last time I played with Loki, because I was kind of tired, I actually left those two items on my sofa. Now, let's say I want to play with Loki again. This shelf over here is what I call the home of everything Loki related. Now I'm looking for my stick and for the treats, and I can't find them. What a home does for you is that whenever you're not using an object, you know that it's in that designated place that I call home. Either you use it or it is in its home. The objects are in their home. Not those three, and not those two. Which brings me to rule number 2. Put everything back in its place as soon as you've finished using them. Now, let's put back everything in place. 1, 2, 3. By the way, that's my tech box. That's where I put everything that's tech related. 4 and 5. That fell down, but it's still in its place. So let's recap. Every object has a home. 2. When you're finished using the object, you put it back in its home immediately. Don't put it on the coffee table. Don't put it on the sofa. And definitely do not leave it inside the cage of your pet chinchilla. Hello. It's going to put your mind at ease. Over time, it's going to become a habit. You'll instinctively go out, grab your keys, get back home, and immediately put your keys back where they belong. And this applies to every object in your home, really. Kitchen utensils, medication, games and books. And believe me, after a time, your mind will thank you. That's all from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing or liking this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!